There are 11 stock market sectors. And why is it important that you know about stock market sectors? It's because everyone likes to organize things. If you go to the grocery store, what is it? It's organized by aisle. If you go to Walmart or Target, it's organized by category. The 11 stock market sectors are utilities, materials, industrials, financials, consumer staples, consumer discretionary, energy, healthcare, tech, real estate, and community. Now, when women start investing, the 4 sectors that they focus on are typically consumer discretionary, consumer staples, tech, and communication. That is why it's so important as a woman to know about the 11 stock market sectors and make sure you're diversifying your identifying investment list across all the sectors. Like and follow for more money and investing tips.